Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're taking a quick look at https://www.northerntrust.com. This isn't strictly a Rome research tool, but it's something I found incredibly useful in conjunction with my Rome workflow, particularly for managing information related to finances and investments. Northern Trust is a wealth management firm that provides a range of financial services, including investment management, banking, and trust administration. While I won't delve into the specifics of their services in this video, I wanted to highlight the potential connection between this type of platform and your Rome research database. Imagine having a centralized hub in Rome where you track your financial goals, investment strategies, and even meeting notes from discussions with your advisors. You could link this information to research you've conducted on specific companies or market trends, creating a powerful knowledge base for all things finance. Northern Trust, or any similar financial institution, can provide the raw data and insights that you then process and integrate into your Rome graph. This allows for a more holistic view of your financial picture, connecting the dots between high-level strategy and individual transactions. This integration can be particularly helpful for visualizing long-term financial plans and tracking progress towards specific goals. By combining the structured data from your financial institution with the flexible note-taking capabilities of Rome, you can develop a personalized system for managing your wealth. It's important to note that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is simply my personal approach to using Rome research in conjunction with existing financial tools. I encourage you to explore how this type of integration might work for you and to seek professional advice when making financial decisions. Remember, utilizing Rome research effectively can extend far beyond simple note-taking. By linking it to resources like Northern Trust, you can create a truly comprehensive system for managing and understanding your financial world.